wind hard, blowing rain in waves, wind hard. Their house sings all night long, wind hard. Man, there ain't nothing soft about this. It's a wind hard. Me, I got all night long to see it blow across the pavement and asphalt. All night long, wind hard. I hear with the heavy rain, about 5 inches in a week. Wind hard, lots of rain. Everything is soaked. I can't even walk across the street. It's filled with water everywhere. Sidewalks are running on. The wind's hard. The rain's coming down. And I'm moving along. Wind hard. Where will I go? To the next place. Do the next thing, which is see doctors and physical therapists, art therapists, social workers, trying to piece my life back together. And I'm moving through the wind, blowing hard.